Hey guys, Dr. Justin here, back from vacation to give you your 2-Minute Tuesday. And today we are talking about mindfulness, not just mindfulness in the sense of, understanding how your brain works, bringing it from in here out to here, but also just understanding like how mindfulness works with athletes, right? Last week we did our dinner with the Doc Talk. If you missed it, you missed the opportunity to meet Lisseth and all the things that her company, Dynamic Drip, has to offer. She gave us some really cool giveaways. Which, oh, by the way, if you put some water in these little tiny beads inside of there, somehow this gets bigger. I'm not sure. So, but come get some handouts, have some fun with that. We are also having Sugar Detox starting next month. So make sure you ask Christina, Kate, or Gina about that. Also, we have our supplement sale day coming up on the 17th of April. I hope everyone also had an amazing Easter and spent some time with family and went to church and did all the things about Christ rising from the dead and giving himself for us so that we may live a much better and more fruitful life. Back to mindfulness. Mindfulness, really the thing behind it when we talk about athletes and, being a Division II athlete myself, some people don't know I played Division II football. And, it really comes down to, and I talk about this a lot with my own kids, is that understanding how to set proper goals, understanding like what are the goals you want to achieve. And sometimes you're going to make those goals so big and so audacious that if you were to obtain 80% of that goal, you're still achieving more than the average athlete. And that's what it really comes down to, is setting yourself up for success by understanding what it is you want to accomplish and then working towards that, right? No goal can ever be set or done without working towards it, right? So you need to have small goals that come along with that and then setting the right mind for it, meaning that what are you doing to take care of your body, right? If you want this to be a Ferrari, but you're giving it diesel, it's never going to function the way it's supposed to. So understanding nutrition, and by the way, we can help you with that. Also understanding how and what parts, right? If you want to work on speed, what type of strengthening, what type of activities, and what type of coaches do you need to hire to get there? So really as an athlete, you need to have that rhythm of mindfulness of knowing what goals and things you want to set, and then taking some time, and we tell this to our 8 Weeks of Wellness patients as well, all day long, taking some time for yourself, focusing in the morning on what's important and what are the things you need to accomplish today, and how are you going to get there before the hustle of life starts. And then at the end of the day, reflecting on the things that went well. What could have you done better? What did you achieve towards your goals? And really setting yourself up for success through putting the right things in your brain. So sometimes watching thousands of videos all day long in a really terrible posture isn't the best formula for your body and for your mind. So start to set some habits, some goals, and some things that you want to achieve to be successful in your sports, in life. And I promise you, you will see things change the way you want, and you will see yourself change, not just mentally, but physically as well. We'll see you guys soon.